Guys, now make some stew peas and we're going to try out for the smoked turkey neck this time. So we're going to scald the turkey neck and the pigtail together. So I boil off the salt off of the pigtail, but I boil the turkey neck also. So this I boil for roughly half an hour. I taste the water and it wasn't salt, so I'm not going to boil it again. But you can go ahead and boil it twice. Alright, so I'm going to pour off the water. Just rinse off the meat properly and then we're going to add it back to the pot. Alright, so now we're going to add that meat to the pot, along with some red kidney beans. We're going with 4 cloves of garlic, crushed. I'm also going in with some crushed pimento seeds. This is about 15 pimento seeds. Then we're going in with some boiling water. So just enough to cover the meat and the peas. So guys, you can cook this on the stove top or you can cook it in a pressure pot until the peas and the meat get tender. Okay guys, let's go in and check on our meat and peas to see if they cook. Alright, so as you can see the meat them mush up. Alright, so you can use a fork to test the peas to see if it cook. Right, so the peas them cook and the meat them cook. We're gonna add some scallion and thyme to the pot. We're gonna add a scotch bonnet pepper. I don't use coconut milk, so I'm going to add butter. I'm also going in with some white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, use black pepper if that's what you have available. I'm going to add a little Maggi jerk, just a little bit. Now I'm going to just, because the meat them soft, I don't want to jerk the pot too much, but you can stir the pot just to combine everything. Sink your scallion and thyme. You can also cut up the scallion and thyme, guys. Right? Cover the pot and let it. And the wrong pot cover this, but cover your pot and let it cook. Alright, we're going again.